This one right here has been in for a year, so this is a year's worth of abuse. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a quick review on this Fram Extra Guard filter. I'm going to be changing the oil on my Dodge Durango, and I've been using this filter on this engine for well over 10 years now. Okay, taking a look at it out of the box here, one of the best things I like about it is the grip, of course. Everyone talks about the grip on these filters, and for good reason, because it really makes it easy to install. You're generally still going to have to put a wrench on it to take it off, but putting it on is a breeze, and you know you're going to get it tight because you got that extra grip on there to facilitate in putting it on. And you really should only put these filters on hand tight. I really like the fact how these have a one-piece rubber seal, and I've never had an issue with these seals coming off and staying on the engine block like I have with other filters. If that seal ever comes off when you're taking a filter off and it stays on the engine block and you don't realize it, then you're in danger of double sealing, or some people call double gasketing. It's just a good rule of thumb when you pull off an old filter to make sure that that seal comes off with it. But I've never had to worry about that with this filter. Okay, and here's a side-by-side comparison of the one that I just took out of my Dodge. This one right here has been in for a year, so this is a year's worth of abuse. I don't put that many miles on my vehicle, so I only change my oil once a year. But the main thing I wanted to show you, the seal on this one right here has been on my engine for a whole year, come out nice and intact, no issues whatsoever, and is still in immaculate condition. And then of course you can compare that to the new seals. So overall, I've been really happy with these filters. They've served me very well, and anytime I find something that works well, I keep on using it until it disappoints me, which in this case I don't think it ever will. I've been very pleased with it. If you take care of your engines, it'll last you a long time, and I've always found that using a good quality filter helps you achieve just that when it comes to changing your engine oil. And just as a final tip, always it's a good idea to put a clean bead of oil on this new seal when you're tightening it down, and you never want to tighten it more than hand tight, which is where the grip on this filter comes in very nice. So I hope this review helps you in your purchasing decision when it comes to selecting an oil filter for your vehicle. Thanks for watching.